Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to sew a runner for a rectangular dining table. Using my example, I will tell you and show you how much fabric you will need to sew such a runner. How to determine how much fabric you will need. The length of the table plus the length of the fabric that will hang on both sides. In my example, the length of my table 88 inches, the length of the fabric that will hang down on both sides 16 inches on each. Total I will need 120 inches. First you will need to iron the fabric. I washed the fabric before that. Place the fabric on flat surface and measure. Cut out 2 pieces of fabric. Since my fabric is double-sided, I wanted to sew a white-black table runner. But I did not have enough patterns that I planned to use on both sides. First I sewed a white runner, and then I bought more fabric and sewed black runner. I process the edges of the fabric on an overlock. This step is optional. Fold both pieces with the right side to each other. If you want the fabric pattern to converge exactly, you must first baste on both sides. Sew the fabric with a straight stitch on both sides. It remains to process the sides that will hang on both sides of the table. I process the edges of the fabric on an overlock. This step is optional. Iron the seam. Bend the fabric inward by ½ inch. Iron the seam. Cut off excess fabric at the seams on both sides. Baste the fabric on both sides. Sew on both sides, retreating from the edge up to 1/4 inches. I hope you liked this video. If so, thumbs up. Please make sure to share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel. I release a new video twice a month, and right now I am working on releasing a video once a week. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!